Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to change your PIN in Busha. Changing your PIN in Busha usually involves this step. First of all, access your Busha account. Then, once logged in, locate the settings or security section within your account. This is typically found in your profile or account management area. Then, within the security settings, look for an option that specifically mentions change PIN, update PIN, or something similar. For security purposes, Busha will likely require you to verify your identity before allowing you to change your PIN. This could involve entering your current PIN, using a verification code sent to your email or phone, or utilizing 2FA if enabled. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to enter your new desired PIN. Then you need to re-enter your new PIN. After confirming your new PIN, look for a save, update, or confirm button to finalize the change. You should receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that your PIN has been successfully changed. And that is how to change your PIN on Busha.